For decades, diabetes management has focused on blood sugar control, diet, exercise, and medication. But in recent years, scientists have uncovered a fascinating new player in the fight against diabetes, the gut microbiome. This vast community of trillions of bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microorganisms living in our digestive tract is not just a passive passenger. It actively influences metabolism, immune function, and even hormonal balance. Emerging research suggests that modulating the microbiome could help prevent, manage, and potentially reverse type 2 diabetes. A healthy microbiome is diverse and balanced. In people with type 2 diabetes, studies often find reduced diversity and an overrepresentation of bacteria linked to inflammation. How the microbiome influences diabetes. Certain gut bacteria ferment dietary fiber into SCFAs, which improve insulin sensitivity in muscle and liver cells. SCFAs stimulate the release of GLP-1, a hormone that enhances insulin secretion. Chronic low-grade inflammation is a hallmark of type 2 diabetes. A healthy microbiome strengthens the intestinal barrier, preventing harmful bacterial fragments like lipopolysaccharides from leaking into the bloodstream, a process called metabolic endotoxemia. Reduced inflammation improves insulin signaling. Some microbes influence how efficiently we extract calories from food. An imbalance can promote fat accumulation and weight gain, both major risk factors for diabetes. What recent research says. Cross-sectional studies show that people with type 2 diabetes often have lower levels of butyrate-producing bacteria and higher levels of pro-inflammatory species. Animal studies demonstrate that transferring gut bacteria from healthy mice to diabetic mice can improve glucose control. Human trials on probiotics, prebiotics, and dietary interventions show modest but promising improvements in insulin sensitivity and HbA1c. Metformin, the most prescribed diabetes drug, partly works by altering the gut microbiome, increasing beneficial bacteria that produce SCFAs. However, experts caution that most studies are short-term and cause and effect relationships are still being clarified. Dietary strategies to support a diabetes-friendly microbiome. Number 1. Increase fiber intake. Fiber feeds beneficial bacteria, boosting SCFA production. Sources include vegetables, fruits, legumes, whole grains, nuts, seeds. Number 2. Choose fermented foods like yogurt with live cultures, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso. Fermented foods introduce live beneficial microbes and bioactive compounds. Number 3. Limit ultra-processed foods, high in refined carbs, unhealthy fats, and additives that can disrupt microbiome balance. Number 4. Opt for diverse plant foods. Aim for 30 plus different plant foods per week to maximize microbial diversity. Supplements and therapeutics to be considered. Probiotics, live beneficial bacteria, e.g. Lactobacillus bifidobacterium. Some strains may improve fasting glucose and insulin sensitivity. Prebiotics, non-digestible fibers, e.g. inulin fructooligosaccharides that feed good bacteria. Synbiotics, combination of probiotics and prebiotics for synergistic effects. Benefits are strain-specific and not all supplements are equally effective. Clinical guidance is essential. Consult your healthcare provider before selecting any supplements. Key takeaways. The gut microbiome plays a crucial role in regulating glucose levels, controlling inflammation, and maintaining metabolic health. Supporting a healthy microbiome through diet, lifestyle, and possibly targeted therapies could complement traditional diabetes management. While the science is promising, personalized approaches and long-term studies are needed before microbiome-based treatments become mainstream. Finally, the gut microbiome is not a magic bullet for diabetes, but it's a powerful ally. By nurturing it with the right foods, habits, and, in the future, precision therapies, we may unlock new ways to manage and even prevent this global health challenge. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel Microbe Masters to get more insights into the microbial world.